Hello everybody. Today I want to show you how I made these delicious corn tortillas. Very soft, very pliable, and very delicious. If you want to learn how to make these, stay tuned and I will show you how. Why buy corn tortillas from the store when you can easily make them at home with two simple ingredients and they come out delicious? To make corn tortillas, it is really simple and you only need two ingredients, which is Maseca and water. In my bowl here, I have 3 cups of Maseca. This is the brand that I love. This is the one that I use all the time. I love this brand. I just feel that my corn tortillas come out perfect every time. I have tried other brands. This one just seems to work for me. Now I'm going to show you how I make my corn tortillas. I have 2 cups of water that I'm going to just start adding slowly. And then I'm going to mix. I'm going to just keep adding water until I get the masa to a nice soft consistency. You will want to use warm water. Now, as you can see here, there is still some masa. I already added in the 2 cups of water. I'm going to add more. And every time I add water, I'm going to knead it. And now that I added enough water to where I don't feel it, where it's dry, it's more on the sticky side. Now I'm going to knead it for 5 to 8 minutes. Normally I will knead it for the 8 minutes. And if your hand gets tired, you can always put it on your work surface and knead it by hand. And when you're done kneading it for 8 minutes, you want to achieve a nice, soft, pliable dough. And when you put your hand in there, it doesn't stick to your fingers. So now we're ready to make the corn tortillas. I have my comal preheating. I have it at a medium. And here I have my tortilla press. And I have my 2 plastics. You can make these as small or as big as you want. Grab a plastic and cover your masa when you're making the tortillas. That way it doesn't dry out. So I'm just going to get it like this in my hand to soften it pretty much. You want to make sure that right here on the outside that it's not dry. If this is dry, your tortillas are going to come out dry. I'm going to put one of my plastics, push down, put the other plastic, and then just press. Then I'm just going to flip it and press again. I'm going to flip it one more time. And this should come off of your plastic. And this is going to go onto the comal. Place it on your comal. You're going to wait just about 5 seconds. And then you're going to flip it right away. And here you're going to wait about 30 seconds. Once you see that it has pretty much cooked on the outside, then you can flip it, give it a little twist, and your tortilla should puff up. And then remove it and place it in your basket, or just keep them wrapped up in a kitchen towel so that they don't dry out. And here I am showing you one more time the process. You want to just flatten them out on your tortilla press. If you don't have a tortilla press, you can always just use two plastics and press it down with a plate. Or you can also just use your hands. When you are preheating your comal, you want to start on high, and then once it has heated up, you want to lower your temp to a medium. Your first turn, you want to flip it right away. Your second one, you want to wait 30 seconds. And then when you flip that over, your tortilla should puff. Enjoy. And now let's try the corn tortillas. They're so nice and pliable. Smells so good. Corn tortillas are not hard to make at all. And if you don't know how to make them, well, now's the time to practice. All you need is 2 ingredients, Maseca and warm water. And that's it. In no time, you'll be having yourself some delicious corn tortillas.